Hey everyone, Mike Burke here with InsideRealEstatePhotography.com, and today I'm going to take you on the road with me for another vlog episode. I know it's been a long time since we did one of these. It's long overdue. Alright, good morning everyone. I'm starting my day here. I'm about to leave my house. Got a busy day today. It's been horrible weather this whole week. We've had the remnants of Hurricane Ian coming through here, and it's just been rain for like 5 days straight. It's finally sunny today. I've been doing work and doing some shoots this week, but just not a lot, and today's the first nice day, so I got a lot going on. I have to do 2 local shoots, just regular photo shoots. One may involve a drone, I'm not sure. I forget, I have to find out when I get there. But then I have to go up to Jersey City, right across the river from New York City. I have a client up there that sells apartment buildings, so I have to shoot 12 apartment buildings, just the outside. So just outside shots and drone shots for each of those. Yeah, so that's a lot. And then after that, I have another commercial building I have to shoot that's like 45 minutes away, I think, from there. So the question is, am I going to be able to achieve all this today? And will I have enough drone battery to do all this? I have a power inverter I'm going to be charging in my car probably today. So yeah, that's a concern too. So I don't know. We'll see if I'm going to be able to accomplish all this today. I'm going to take you with me and we'll find out. All right, arrived at the first shoot. The name of the game today is going to be like efficiency. I need to do everything quick because I got a lot to squeeze in today, and I'm trying to film this vlog. Maybe this wasn't the best day to do it because I have all the stuff going on, but whatever. That's just kind of how it goes. So this is a pretty typical situation. So, you know, I'm glad to take you on the ride with me. So I'm gonna get in here and do this house. It's not too big of a house. Let's see. Yeah, that's the house there. So it's not terribly huge, but hopefully I can get done fairly quickly. All right, let's do it. All right guys, so I just finished shooting photos in the house. I wasn't able to capture any footage in there. I was just kind of talking to the agent the whole time. It was just me and her in the house, but you know, went well. Everything was very neat, a very neat house and very well put together, so no issues. I kind of just breezed right through it. But I'll show you a few shots from that, edited shots from that right now. I'll plug them into this video. So she does want some drone shots for this house, so I am going to do that right now. So I'll take you through that a little bit, and then I'll meet you back here. All right, so the drone shots are now done. I need to get moving to this next shoot. I'm actually running behind, so again, super time crunch today. This next shoot I think is just a small condo. I think it's only like 2 bedrooms or something, I think. So it should hopefully take, you know, not long at all. So I need to get going there because I need to get up to Jersey City and shoot these 12 buildings. Yeah, let's get to it. All right guys, so I got to the next shoot here. It's a vacant condo. The agent just left the key with me, so I'm here by myself to do this, which is nice. I can just, you know, breeze right through this probably. You know, there's no furniture or anything. Those are always the best, like easiest shoots. So and yeah, like I said, it's, you know, sort of like an apartment basically. So yeah, not very big, shouldn't take very long, so I'm gonna get to it. So something of a bummer that happened, if you'll notice, I'm using this Zeiss f4 lens because my f2.8 Master lens stopped autofocusing for me for some reason, so I had to send it in to get repaired. So luckily I was able to borrow this from somebody in the meantime, but it's a bummer. So I'm kind of stuck without that for probably a good couple of weeks, hopefully not too long, but it is what it is. This is the lens that I used to use all the time before I got a G Master, so it's kind of nostalgic. kind of brings me back to old times. So, you know, whatever. It's a fine lens. I mean, it does the job, and you know, it's not. I would not call it a bad lens at all. It's a good lens. It's a very good lens. You know, good option out there if you don't have the money for a G Master. If you're shooting a Sony, you know, it's a good option. So here we go.
Green carpets.
All right, so I finished shooting inside here. Probably took me like 20 minutes. So yeah, real fast and easy. So that's great. Because I need to get on the road here. I need to make the most of my time. So I'm gonna grab a sandwich on my way out of here so I can eat it in the car on the way there. Yeah, so I'm gonna get on the road here. I'm gonna take maybe like 2-3 exterior shots here at the most on my way out, and that's it. I'm gonna get in the car and hit the road. Gotta keep my drone batteries charged up today. Since I have so many drone shoots, I just did one this morning, so I got this power inverter plugged in, which you can plug a regular, you know, electrical device into and charge it. This is not ideal. I should have got the Fly More combo and the, you know, car charger for this. It always scares me doing it this way, but you know, haven't had any issues, knock on wood. So yeah, I got to keep these batteries charged today, so I'm going to be doing this all day today, so it is what it is. Alright guys, I made it to Jersey City. I hope you enjoyed my Sopranos montage. I tried to mimic it as best as I could. I would love to use the theme song, but you know, this video would get flagged for copyright. So hopefully I can find maybe some other kind of song that I can use that will capture the vibe. I don't know. Alright, so yeah, I'm here in Jersey City now, and I'm at the first location. I'm gonna get ready to shoot these buildings. So I know it sounds crazy, I have 12 buildings to shoot. Yeah, I think 12, but he just texted me, my client, on the way here. He wants me to do one other building, which kind of stinks because it's in Union City, which is like a couple cities north of here, and just to go that far here is probably going to take me, it's probably be like a 30-minute drive. I don't know. With all the traffic and congestion up here, it gets crazy, but the good thing is these shoots don't take long, so I really only get like 2, 3, or 4 exterior shots, and then some drone shots of each of the locations. Some of these buildings are actually like right next to each other, so I don't even have to like drive. And you know, really the challenge here for this kind of shoot, for these kind of shoots, I've done, you know, a bunch of them now for a couple years for him, and the challenge is just getting around, parking and all that kind of thing. So you know, that's how it is here in, you know, northern New Jersey near New York City. So yeah, I'm gonna get cracking on these, and I'll take you through some of these. I'm not gonna obviously show you every single shoot that I'm doing because it'll just get repetitive, but you know, yeah, I'll like record some of my drone shots and, you know, show you, you know, what I'm doing here and there and check in with you as I go. So this first one is like an apartment complex, multiple buildings. So this is the first shoot of the day for these apartment buildings. right, so first shoot is done. Yeah, these are quick, so you know, they only take me maybe 10 to 15 minutes. You know, I'm up and down with the drone maybe in like 5 minutes. I'm just, you know, trying to be real efficient with that. Just grab some shots. You know, I don't have to go crazy with these. Like I said, like probably about 3 ground shots, and then like 5, 6 drone shots, you know. So I only use maybe 10% of the battery, if that, on this one. So, you know, I have 4 drone batteries, so hopefully that's gonna last me through 13 buildings, and then I have to go do that 14th location. That's drone, video, and still. So I need like a whole battery for that. So, but that's probably almost like an hour drive from here, if I'm gonna fit that in today after these 13 buildings. So I don't know, we'll see. It's 1 p.m. now, so, and I have 12 more buildings here in this area to shoot. So if they take me 10 minutes a piece, 10 to 15 minutes a piece, plus the driving time, I don't know. I may be dreaming about maybe doing that last shoot today. I might have to push it off till tomorrow, or I don't know, well, another time. So anyway, I'm gonna get to my next one now. Hopefully it's not far. All right, I'm here at the second building. It's about only 5 minutes drive, so not far. It's that one behind the telephone pole right here. That's how most of these buildings are gonna be, just one single building like that. So yeah, I'm gonna hop out and get these shots and continue on. Hopefully I can just continue at this pace and we'll get through this list in no time. All right, this is building number 4 right here. Don't have a lot of room, so I can't really shoot these buildings level, so I gotta tilt the camera, you know, up to shoot them, unfortunately, unless I had like a shift lens like I made a video on recently, fairly recently, about doing buildings like this. But yeah, no real choice here but to tilt for the most part. I could probably back up and get this angle from the side straight on, but you know, that's how it has to be. I do want to buy a shift lens at some point, so that's on my list. But it is 1:49 p.m. now. I'm about, you know, this is my 4th building, so almost a third of the way through. So yeah, going pretty good so far. Hopefully I can keep it up. All right, I'm at the next location here, but what's awesome is that 4 of these buildings are actually right here, so I don't have to go anywhere. I can shoot all 4 of these at once. So that'll save a lot of time here. I didn't realize it. I knew a couple of them were together, but I didn't know 4 were actually right here. So that's good news. So I'm gonna get all 4 of these buildings all at once, and that should really speed things up. And then I have, what, like 5 more? So still quite a bit more, but yeah, moving along here pretty good. All right. Here's one of the buildings, first of 4 here. I did all 4 of those buildings. This was nice. I got them all done probably within about 20 minutes, I guess. I don't know. It's about 2:42 now, so I got 4 more buildings in this area. Then that one extra building he added, that's up a ways. And then I have that other one. I don't even check how far away I am from that. It's probably almost like an hour, so I don't know. It's gonna be cutting it real close to do the last one. I hope I can do that as well. It's gonna be like rush hour at that time too. So I don't know. I'm gonna hurry up and try to bang these other ones out so I can hopefully do all this in one day. So we'll see. All right, doing my last Jersey City shoot here. These 2 buildings across the street from each other. Gonna take off next to some garbage. All right, so I finally finished these buildings in Jersey City. It's 3:48. I have to go to Union City. I just put it in my GPS. It's 24 minutes to go 3.8 miles. It's it's getting more and more difficult to move around here as it gets later and later. So I'm gonna get there around 4:12, and hopefully I can do that building. And the sun goes down at 6:30. I don't know if I can fit this other one in or not. I think it's like an hour away from here. I don't really want to even deal with that. I might have to push it off, but we'll see. I'm getting tired of driving around here, but you know, it is what it is. You know, so I'm gonna, you know, get this last one done and see where I'm at. All right, so I finished the Union City shoot. So now I'm done in this area. I have that one other shoot, like I said. I just put it in the GPS and it's saying an hour and 10 minutes, which means I get there at 5:40 about p.m. I don't know, and that's red, so that means there's traffic, and you know, I'm getting into rush hour here, so what is that going to get worse? I don't know. And sunset is at 6:30, so how dark is it going to be? What's the lighting going to be like? I don't know. I think I'm not going to go. I'm kind of tired now after all this, and I just can't imagine driving an hour and 10 minutes there right now. And then from there, it's another hour, probably an hour and 10 minutes to my house. So yeah, you know, I'd be looking at getting home very late. My son goes to bed at 7:30, so I want to be home to see him before that. So I'm gonna push this off for another day. But thank you for joining me today on this vlog adventure. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you know, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Thanks for joining me today. I know it's been a long time since I did one of these. Hopefully I'll, you know, do more, be more consistent with it. Over the summer it just gets so crazy and been so busy, and you know, it gets so difficult to do it, kind of like shooting this while I'm working, and it just adds another element to the day, you know. So but I will definitely do these periodically, so they seem to go over pretty well. So I will see you guys soon. I think this guy's talking to me. I don't know. All right. Peace.